Come here, Brookie. Brooke, Brooke. Let go of her. Brooke, Brooke, come here. Brooke, Brooke. Brooklyn. Don't touch her. Brooklyn. Don't let her bite him. Come here. Move a little. Dimmy, please move. Come here. Hi. Hi. Dim Dim. Look at her. Berkeley. Brooke, Brooke. Brooke, Brooke. Yeah. Jolie! Go get mommy. Come here, big girl.
All five representatives.
What's wrong, Bert? Do you not like your shoes? Do you not like your new shoes?
Why you don't want your shoes?
Brooke. They don't come off that easy. Brooklyn. Come on. Come on, Brooke. Come on.
Come on, Jolie. Come here.
She's like kicking him out and up. She keeps going backwards.
What are you doing, Brooklyn? You got something on your face. Brooke, don't you bite on him.